What's up, guys? This is CJ
and Sarah,
and it's a Wednesday night, and it's time for another Keto
Conversations.
Hey, we got that right.
We're doing something different tonight.
So we're going to do something different tonight.
And we are going to open our Keto Krate.
Yes, Keto Krate.
And for those of you who don't know what Keto Krate is, it is a monthly ketogenic subscription box.
Yes.
So, and they generally will give you an assortment of products to try. Some of them are full size, some of them are sample sizes. Mm-hmm. And it's always free of things like aspartame, maltitol, soy, sucralose, all of those. So everything's ketogenic.
And this is our third time getting one of these. We've made videos before, we just have never done them. So
we have taught on our Organ blog. We talked about a couple of the things that we have received in the box before, but we've never done a dedicated review.
We've never actually published a video. So
it always comes with a card.
Sorry, it comes with a card, and I'll let you read it.
Okay. So the card is usually, pretty good size, and it folds out. And it gives you a little bit of a description about each product. It also will tell you how much it costs. It will give you the website. A lot of times there is a percentage code.
A discount
from the Keto Krate. So most of the time it's about 10% usually. So if you go to their website and order directly, some of the links are actually to Amazon, so you can still use that 10% off code at Amazon. So it depends on the product.
Right.
And then also on the back of the card, it gives you a recipe every month to you, and the recipe will always include some of the things that are found in the box. So that's kind of nice because it gives you some options of how to use the products.
And we'll put links to all the codes or code information in the video.
We are not affiliated with Keto Krate. We purchased this with our own money.
Yep, we purchased this with our own money. We don't get anything back from it. So
not that we wouldn't give you an honest review if it had been sent to us, because
but we're just telling you that it's new to us, just like it's new to you tonight.
But if you've been curious about Keto Krate, this is a good way sometimes to find out if it's something that you'd be interested in.
And these cost, the Keto Krate costs, either $37 or $38. I think it's $38.
The thing that's really nice, in my opinion, is the Keto Krate comes at the beginning of the month. We're filming this on the 8th, and it's been here at my house for a couple of days.
Yeah, it's been here.
So it's nice because a lot of subscription boxes, like I get cosmetic subscription boxes, and they'll take the money out at the beginning of the month, but you won't get your box until almost the end of the month. So that's what's nice about Keto Krate, is that you get it right away, so you can enjoy it the entire month of the month that you ordered it. So
all right, let's get going.
Okay, the first thing on the list is Tangy Ranch Almonds from Legendary Foods.
Okay, so Legendary Foods.
Yes, so they're ranch flavored almonds. Yum.
Okay.
Yep, and the carb information on there, it's 4 net carbs for the whole package.
Yeah, so the whole container is a serving.
Yep.
Sweet.
Yep. Yeah. Well, they're probably not sweet, they're probably ranchy. Next in the box is chocolate chip cookie from Fat Snax with an X, S-N-A-X.
Fat Snax.
Yeah.
S-N-A-X. Okay.
And it says here that the CEO of Fat Snax, Jeff Fries, is the founder and CEO, and he is a long-term ketoer. So that's kind of nice, because a lot of times you're supporting companies that are practicing keto and putting out keto food, so it's kind of nice to support fellow ketonians in that way.
Right.
So it's 2 net carbs per cookie. Okay.
So there's 2 cookies in this bag.
So it'd be 4 carbs if you ate both of them, which is kind of standard. I think keto cookie is like 3.5 if you eat both cookies, so it's pretty close.
Yeah, they're good.
And they're chocolate chip. Yep. Yum.
All right,
Gotta love cookies.
Fat Snax.
All right. Now, the next one is hamburger buns from California Country Gal. And it's not actual buns,
Right.
but it is the pouch to make said
Right.
buns.
Right.
And it says, bunless burgers are a great keto compromise, but no amount of lettuce wrapping truly compares to taking a big two-handed bite out of a juicy barbecued burger in a bun.
Okay, yeah, sure, okay. No, it's fine.
Sometimes you miss the hamburger bun.
I guess, okay.
Yep, says it's super easy to use and make big, squishy, airy buns. Like my buns.
Yeah. Well, I wasn't going to say anything about your buns.
Anyway,
But, sure.
so it's got directions on the back, and you need to add a couple of other things to it. You're going to have to add like some water, some egg whites if you want fluffy buns, or whole eggs if you want denser buns, and then also a little bit of apple cider vinegar.
Yeah.
But it's kind of nice sometimes, you know, because you could do that yourself from a recipe. A lot of people make like oopsie bread and hamburger buns and stuff, but it's kind of nice to have everything pre-measured in a pouch sometimes.
So it'd be like quicker, just
dump your stuff in the bowl, whip it up. And it says that it makes 21 servings, so I'm not exactly clear if that's like 2 buns.
Right.
So there might be like, it might make like 11 sets of buns.
Right.
So it probably depends on how big you do it too, if you're really accurate with your placement of the scoops.
And this even has, and not that we care, but it's kind of interesting. It actually has a vegan option.
If you don't want to put eggs in it.
If you don't want to put eggs in it, you can use it.
Yes, because there are keto vegans.
Yeah. So
yes.
Yep. So this is what's it called again? Real bread, grain.
California Country Gal is the brand name.
Oh, where's that at? I don't see that on here at all. They need to work on. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay.
It's in a little tiny smiley face.
Yeah, they need to work on that. They need to work on that logo.
All right. So the next thing to go with your hamburger is dill pickle in a pouch, and it's Van Holten's.
All right, dill pickle in a pouch.
So basically, like kosher dills that you would get like in a deli. You know, they're a large size dill pickle, or I think sometimes they have them at like even movie theaters and things like that.
Yeah, that's true.
So
looks good.
Yeah, it looks yummy.
Oh.
I don't know what the macros are. It's for a fifth of the pickle.
A fifth of the pickle.
It's 1 carb,
is one
so
carb.
it'd be like 5 carbs if you ate the whole pickle by yourself. But it's a pretty good sized pickle.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Anyway.
I've done. Okay, I guess people do chop up pickles. I guess. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So anyway.
Most of the time, if I get a pickle like this, I'm eating the whole thing.
Yes. And I don't know why it has that many carbs.
Yeah, that is kind of interesting.
Yeah, it is.
It's got that many.
Because usually pickles are like almost nothing.
Yeah. That is interesting.
It's very interesting. Anyway,
we don't make it. We're just
random thoughts.
We're just
by
reading it.
CJ's Keto Kitchen. Okay, the next product is Wisconsin Cheddar Minis, just the cheese.
Okay.
Oh, so it's like Wisps, kind of, only it's cheddar.
Yeah, I'm sure they don't appreciate you saying
I'm sorry.
that they're like
I'm sorry,
Wisps.
Wisconsin cheese.
Yeah, they're just the cheese. That's the name of the brand. Let's give them props.
All right.
All right.
Just the cheese.
Just the cheese.
They're not wispy at all.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Anyway, they are 1 carb if you eat this whole pouch.
Okay, cool.
So, yeah. It looks yummy.
Yeah,
I don't know if it's got... I'm assuming it doesn't have any flavoring. No, it's just the cheese.
Nope.
So it's just Wisconsin cheddar cheese made crunchy.
Yep.
So, cool. Cool. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. What is the original barbecue sauce from Alterna Sweets is next.
Okay. So now we got some of their...
We've had their ketchup before.
The Alterna Sweet ketchup before. And I like it. It's actually really... It's really natural.
Authentic. It was very tomato-ish.
Yeah, it is.
Compared to like, if you buy like the Heinz low sugar ketchup.
Right.
So
this is the barbecue sauce. I'm actually kind of excited to try this.
Yeah.
To see. So this is the Alterna Sweets.
And it's 4 carbs, it says, for how much?
4 net carbs
for 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
So it's fairly carbish, but a lot of your condiments are.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Although we do have a recipe for a lower carb.
Yes. Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce. Oh, we weren't supposed to be pitching ourselves. Sorry.
It's quite good too. If you don't want to do anything, you can just open the bottle.
Yeah, this is really convenient.
Yes.
So I'm not gonna lie.
Yes.
This is
and you
convenient.
could probably if you found this too sweet, or if you wanted to reduce the carbs, you could probably thin it yourself with you know, a little bit more vinegar or something like that. If you wanted to thin it out a little bit, make it go a little further, and
that's interesting.
something like that, you could do
Never
that.
thought about that.
Yeah. Okay, next on the list is Protes, or Protes, Protes. They're zesty nacho protein chips.
Protease.
Protes.
Okay.
So it says, sometimes all you want to do is stay in your jammies, eat snacks, and binge watch an entire series on Netflix. So
Okay.
if you're missing potato chips or something like that, I'm assuming like Doritos, probably based on the flavor that they are.
Yeah.
Although it's a really tiny package.
Yeah. So this package is one serving. It's 1 ounce. This is a 1 ounce package.
Yeah, and it feels like there's maybe about 5 or 6 chips in there.
So this will probably get you through like the first couple of minutes.
Maybe the opening sequence of your Netflix show.
Movie.
You might, yeah.
But I guess if you have several bags.
Yes, and that's probably just, I don't know, I would imagine maybe it comes in a larger bag if you order from the
never
website.
had them, so we don't know if they have bigger bags or not. So
your net carbs is 4 carbs, so it's quite a bit.
4 carbs per bag.
For just that.
For the whole bag.
When you could probably sit down and pile drive through an entire bag of chicharrones and 0 carbs. So, but no judgment, personal preference.
Wow. All right.
So next on the list is original Graze sticks from Mission Meats. I've heard of Mission Meats before.
Graze sticks. Okay.
So they're like beef sticks.
So we got 2 of them.
But these are grass-fed, grass-finished, free range, 100% beef, no nitrates, non-GMO.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And it's like
they're really fresh.
Nothing but beef. There's no sweetener in it or anything like that. So just beef and seasonings.
Yeah.
So
how much do these cost per?
$1.67 each, which is a heck of a deal in my opinion. Because you go to 7-Eleven and you're gonna pay at least that for a Bar S or whatever beefsteak brand you buy, and it's got a lot of yucky stuff in it. This doesn't have anything.
So Graze sticks. Graze.
Like cows grazing.
Cows grazing.
Yeah.
Sticks.
So I'm excited to try those.
Yeah, makes sense. 2 of them, so that's cool.
Yeah. Okay. So, and that was Mission Meats.
Okay.
And if you use their code, which we will put in the link, you can receive free bacon jerky.
Oh, well.
So hey, bonus.
Cool.
Okay, so next on the list is Hickory Smoked Bacon Snack Pack from Peterson's. Peterson's with a D. P-E-D.
Okay.
E-R-S-O-N-S.
So.
Bacon to go.
Bacon to go. Bacon in a pouch.
Says the mess-free, hassle-free way to take your bacon on the go. No more pre-cooking, no more dealing with bacons, grease splatters, and no more eating the whole pan of bacon that you were saving for lunches by snacksident. I love a good pun.
By what?
Snacksident.
Well, did you write this?
No, but they need to hire me because we share a sense of humor.
It's pretty cheesy.
Yeah, pretty cheesy. No, it's bacony. So it's basically bacon in a snack pack.
Yeah.
So.
Wow.
Yeah.
And it looks good. I mean, that looks like...
nice, hearty bacon. It's not wimpy bacon.
It doesn't look like fake bacon.
Right. And it doesn't have any carbs. And it doesn't have any sugar either.
Right. So cool.
Or sweetener of any kind, which is really cool because a lot of times they finish bacon.
And they were really nice to the pigs before they turned them into
it says the pigs were treated humanely.
They were vegetarian fed, they were without antibiotics, and they were humanely raised. And so, there you go. All right.
Kind to Wilbur. Okay, so what's next? Apple cider vinegar drink sticks, not snacks, sorry, sticks.
Okay.
From Squeeze Dried. Remember that time when you heard about the amazing benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar and decided to take a shot of it yourself and almost died? Yeah, us too. And there are people who actually just do shots of vinegar, which is not ideal for your teeth.
Yeah,
anyway.
That's true.
So they put it in a little stick thing, like Crystal Light.
Crystal Light's what comes to mind when I see it.
Yeah.
So
you just you open your bottle of bottled water and you just drink. You probably drink a little bit maybe if it's gonna raise the volume of your water, but yeah. So it says that they have it's 2 carbs. So it's basically like a Zip Fizz style, where it gives you a couple of carbs. But this has cayenne pepper in it, cinnamon, ginger, probiotics, plus the apple cider vinegar, of course, and it's kind of lemon flavored. So
right.
Yeah. Cool. And they give us 3 of them.
Yeah, we'll have to try that.
Yeah.
Let you know how it tastes.
Yeah. So next on the list is flavored tea sachets from Bo Tea. B-O-H. Bo Tea.
Oh, tea. So it's tea.
Yes, it is tea. Well, technically it's an infusion.
Okay.
Because if it does not have tea leaves in it, it's not really tea.
And we said Bo Tea, not Boo Tea.
Yeah, not booty. It's not booty in there. We already had buns on the other page. Yeah.
Bo Tea.
It's Bo Tea.
Okay.
Yes. So we have what flavors? Chamomile and peppermint.
Peppermint. All right.
So they are infusions.
So what's that mean?
You have to have actual tea leaves for it to be true tea. You have to have either black, green, or white. And those teas all come from the same tea leaves. It's just when they're harvested. So black tea is left to grow the longest, and then green tea, and then white tea. White tea is like the brand new leaves.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. And according to them, tea is the most popular drink in the world. So...
Wait a minute. Is it more popular than water?
Well, you use water to make tea. Does that count?
Okay. Yeah. All right. All right. So Bo
I like
Tea.
Coffee better, but
Bo
tea's
tea.
in a second. Yeah. So anyway, but they're caffeine free. One is chamomile and one is peppermint because they don't have real tea leaves in them. They're just infusions. So yeah, so cool.
All right, so that is the whole Keto Krate for the month of June.
On here, they have the recipe, and it's for keto barbecue bacon sliders. So you'll use the slider buns.
Oh yeah, your sauce.
Your sauce, and you will use the bacon, I guess, the snack bacon.
Yeah.
So they give you a recipe every month that generally includes what's in the box.
Items that are in the box.
Yeah, so that gives you some ideas of how to use it.
Yeah.
So.
Yep. So anyway, that's the Keto Krate for the month of June. And let us know if you like these. We're not sure if we're going to continue to get Keto Krates or not. And if we do get them every month,
one of our 4 keto conversations a month
will be replaced by one of these. So,
and this, of course, is just a first impression. We opened the box in front of you. We know nothing about these products. We have not tried them. So if you would like some follow-up information, we wouldn't have to dedicate an entire keto conversation to it, but we could talk about it a little bit in one of our other keto conversations if you would like to know what we thought.
Think about them.
Yeah, because like I said, this is just a first impressions. We don't know. So if you'd like some more feedback on what we actually thought of the products, just let us know.
All right.
So please let us know in the comment section what you think about this idea. If you like watching unboxings or if it's not really your thing, because we don't know unless we get feedback from you guys.
Yep.
So.
All right. Well, thanks for watching CJ's Keto Kitchen.
Yeah. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when we upload new things. We try to do conversations and reviews and things like that on Wednesdays.
Right.
And then we do recipes on
Every
Sundays.
Every Sunday.
So come on back and join us for more ketogenic content.
Yeah. Thanks for watching CJ's Keto Kitchen.
See you next time. Bye. You're much bubblier in that one. Good job.
That's all right.